Morning broke in golden light, the clouds all rolled away. Warmed the cliffs of Cornwall, stone lit up the harbor bay. I lifted up my drone to fly, the tide was turning slow, and watched the roofs and winding lanes of Polperro down below. Oh, I flew over the harbor, over the beach below. Sun on the water, gentle winds that blow, seagulls crying, dancing in the air, and emmets on the sand everywhere. Warm day shining, colors all aglow. My little drone above Polperro. Fishing boats rock quietly, their ropes in lazy sway. The water turned to silver glass beneath the midday ray. The gulls came close to check me out, curious and bold, while tiny dots of summer crowds filled beaches bright with gold. Oh, I flew over the harbor, over the beach below. Sun on the water, gentle winds that blow, seagulls circling, calling to the sea, and emmets stretching far as I could see. Warm air rising, soft and slow. My little drone above Polperro. Stone walls, narrow streets, boats in tidy rows, shadows drifting where the river flows. Laughter carried on the breeze, so clear. Perfect day we've waited for all year. Oh, so I flew over the harbor, over the beach below. Cornish sunshine putting on a show, seagulls gliding white against the blue, and emmets waving like they always do. Battery low, but heart said don't go.